Raindrops fall tonight. My heart is breaking down inside. All the dreams we had still echo in my mind. You walked away, left behind words I can't rewind. Now it's only me and the silence in the night. You once said love will never fade, but forever, how long does it stay? Your eyes now drift so far away, like clouds that fade beyond the day. Fading in the rain, the pain washes but won't erase. Fading in the rain, your memories still fill this place. To love once is to lose control. To let go once leaves 1,000 scars on the soul.
Yeah, I'm fine, that's what I say. But the truth still hits me every day. Late at night, my heart astray, like a beat that lost its way. Try to run from the past, but it's chasing me still. In the neon glow, your shadow feels real. A short-lived love with a long-lasting cry. Now all that remains is a question: why?
Maybe we were born to cross and pass, like fleeting